Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Gmail ID or Google account name. Please make sure to watch this video till the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to your settings app on your phone. Now search for Google services, click into that. And now where it says your email address, click on manage your account. Alright guys, you'll be brought to this page and you want to click into personal info, and here it'll show you your profile picture, your name, your birth date, gender. So what you want to do to change your name is simply click on your name and then click on the pencil icon to change it. And now simply put in a new name, new surname. Once you've done that, click on save. Yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.